1936 Rolls-Royce 25/30ths HP Limousine by Barker. Price: 2,950美元. Location: Florida, USA. The E10 Jobai Senchalut Rolls-Royce Archewol Sen Shares HP Limousine by Barker is more than just a classic automobile. It is a rolling piece of history. Built during the golden age of luxury motoring, this magnificent machine represents the craftsmanship, prestige, and elegance that made Rolls-Royce one of the most respected automotive brands in the world. Nearly 90 years after it first left the factory, this rare limousine continues to turn heads and capture imaginations. The first thing that makes this Rolls-Royce stand out is its stunning Barker coach-built body. During the Itso-Sembis, wealthy clients often purchased a chassis and commissioned elite coach builders to create custom bodies. Barker was one of the most prestigious names in the business, and this limousine showcases exactly why. Its long, graceful lines, commanding stance, and unique landaulet-style opening rear roof create an appearance that feels both regal and timeless. The luxury doesn't stop with the exterior. Step inside and you'll discover an atmosphere designed for comfort and sophistication. Rich wood trim, spacious seating, and period-correct details transport passengers back to an era when travel was about elegance rather than speed. The rear compartment was designed to provide a first-class experience, making every journey feel like a special occasion. The power comes from a smooth inline six-cylinder engine paired with a four-speed manual transmission. Unlike modern performance cars that focus on acceleration, this Rolls-Royce was engineered for effortless cruising and supreme refinement. Every component was built with precision, reflecting the company's famous philosophy of creating the best car in the world. Even today, enthusiasts admire the mechanical excellence hidden beneath its classic bodywork. The vehicle is equipped with numerous vintage features that collectors love. Chrome Lucas King of the Road headlights, Smith's instrumentation, a tilting windshield, wire wheels, dual exhaust outlets, and full-size fender-mounted spare tires all contribute to its authentic pre-war character. These details are not just decorative, they tell the story of a remarkable period in automotive history. The landaulet-style rear roof is one of the rarest and most desirable features of this limousine. It allows rear passengers to enjoy open-air motoring while remaining surrounded by luxury. This distinctive design was often associated with dignitaries, aristocrats, and high-ranking officials, adding an extra layer of exclusivity to an already prestigious automobile. The fact that this Rolls-Royce has survived for nearly a century makes it especially fascinating. Think about everything this car has witnessed, from the late 1930s and World War II to the technological revolution of the modern era. Few automobiles can claim to have lived through such a dramatic period of history while maintaining their identity and charm.